My freaking camera died, so I have to make another video. Just gonna chug it down real quick, but I still like the view, so fucking love the view. Gonna drink it fast though this time. I know we're looking for some action from the people, so I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah, I only use the restroom too, so it's like fuck. Couple days more I need to do a haircut and beard trim. I'm probably gonna do it like next week, because I need it. You know. So. Almost done. Gonna keep this one short. Guys, gonna go back to my apartment. It's about to be sundown. I hope you enjoyed the view, people. I freaking love this view to the airport. It looks so cool. Look at that, just look at that. Parking lot in the private airport of Racine, Wisconsin. I wish that would be freaking public airport, you know, like take a freaking flight to New York, then come back here, and then go back to my freaking apartment. Would be so convenient. But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. So I'm getting back into my apartment here to kill this wheel. So folks, thanks for watching. I'll put some light on the issue right now. It's about to be dark in here. By the way, I just cleaned my apartment up yesterday. I don't have anything to do over the weekend, so I cleaned my shit up. And I'm happy I did it too. With all these life hacks and stuff, I learned a lot of new tricks on how like to clean apartment and stuff. It's like, you know, but that's besides the point, you know, but. Ta-dam, ta-dam! I'm not even fixing that, because I don't really need this thing for my phone. I can just finish it like that. I guess it's gonna be my new special effect when my phone falls down and everything looks weird and whack. Because I don't think that YouTube deserves my video editing anyway. Swill, 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 folks, for St. Patrick's Day. And I'm out. All the best to you guys. Peace out. Later.